Okay, so this is my ALHF URL citation video. So basically, for what I've done is actually I've used ChatGPT to ask about my question, which is about the describe condition A, B, and C as a stipulated in the second schedule A of navigation or in order. So ChatGPT has given me an explanation that I have to explain condition A, B, and C. Then afterwards, it's just they are talking about the certificate of airworthiness, which is COA. Then we go to my first point where I've actually used the TPLMS lectures note. So it will be under the secondary schedule and condition A, B, and C for the lecture 1. So the condition A, which is apply to register aircraft where the COA, which is Certificate of Airworthiness, is expired to an aircraft with identical design that has been possessed by Singapore issued COA. So it was actually all under here. The aircraft shall be either with expired COA or an aircraft that is identical in design. So all of the condition A that I found and I referenced through is just this condition A, which is the Singapore aircraft is engine shall be certified by a holder of an aircraft maintenance requirement of SAR. And then the minimum of the flight crew is so for not only what is it what is condition supposed to be is also explaining on what can be carried out in condition A. Same goes with the condition B as when I scroll down is apply for a new prototype experimental aircraft that have not been received or registered by COA. So these are special cases. And then there you go. Then made under supervision approved by the CEO. So the purpose is to experimenting or testing. So this is where I found and like experimental testing flight qualification issue. So it's like this. Is where I found all in these notes. So then we'll go to condition C, where it's applied to aircraft dealers. So operational of the aircraft shall be registered owner of the aircraft who shall be the holder of an aircraft dealer certificate. So you must be a dealer to have met this condition C. So then it will give me a reason on what can condition C does. So that's what I write to apply for my condition C, which is the operator must be registered owner and also holds an aircraft dealership, which is the ADC. Then they will have to also, the main purpose is just to demonstrate the aircraft and testing. So yeah, and that will be all.